Hey gang, how you doing? I'm going to try another resource for you. Some of you were asking about sample calculations and that kind of thing. So I already posted a couple of Livescribe pencasts. And with this little clip, I'm hoping to show you how to do that as efficiently as I know how. There might be other ways. If you find other ways, make some comments, post something up to Facebook, let us know, and maybe we can work something out. Anyways. Come into one of your courses. Now, I came into electrical rotating machines. Go under content. And the example that I posted was for motor speed calculations. So under three-phase machines, if you click there, that'll take you to this section here. And now I got the Livescribe Pencast motor speed calculation example. So click on it. Now, how I do it might be different than how it can be done. But one of the things you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download the PDF. Once you download the PDF, then you can save it somewhere on your hard drive. Now, I just saved myself a copy here onto my desktop so that I can easily get it. Now, when you look at the PDF itself, you'll see that it says download this PDF into your computer and go to livescribe.com and then open it up in the livescribe.com player. So I'm just going to click on that hyperlink, and you'll see it'll open up this window. And it says, down your Livescribe PDF, then drop it here. So anywhere's inside this box. So I'm just going to grab my PDF. I'm going to drop it into the box. Now what you'll see is this window. And this is the player itself. So here's the text that I wrote out with the example problem. Right? And all you have to do is play it. And as you go through this example,
I'll be doing
there's the audio commentary as I talk myself through the problem. And you'll see the text turn to live text. So the gray is the entire problem. And then as the commentary carries on, the text becomes live.
And again, if you are looking at the example, you can follow it along there as well with this.
Another resource you guys can use.
So this will be the calculations. I won't be doing any of the connections at this time.
Give it a try.
So in
Let me know
number
how it
2,
works. Let me know if you want more.
145
kVA. I'll see what I can do. I'll make no promises.
600.
Let's see if it works.
347 volt primary.
Livescribe
to a 460.
So it's a bit large. It's a bit gangly. It actually has a microphone and a camera
secondary.
into it. It uses special paper.
So again, the primary,
the
line value is 600 volts, and the secondary, the line value is 460 volts.
Well,
and just the same as when we were doing the three-phase calculations,
cut me a little slack there.
You always have
I'll try
to
my
use
best
the
to keep
line
it a little
values.
neater for the next ones. I'm still trying to figure it out right.
The first and second thing it wants you to find is I primary and I secondary. So again, if you're finding I primary,